See this guys, just I need to answer 119 questions and I can receive $20 reward by just answering these questions. Is it possible? Just watch along this video and I'll show you how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just answering questions. Okay, just follow along this video. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just completing some online surveys. It's a completely genuine website guys, and you can earn a good amount of money from this website. You can see guys, what do we need to do? We just need to sign up for free, take online surveys from any location. So I just want you to type your country location on the comment section. And guys, you can earn a good amount of money, and the minimum amount is 10 euros. You can see. Okay, so absolutely guys, I show you, this is the payment proof. You can see this is a payment proof, and you can see this minimum payout is $10 and $13 this person has earned, and he can retrieve this income in PayPal account, okay, on Amazon e-cards, and one another is, you can see this is another a payment method. Okay, so these are certain rewards. You can directly make that cash on your PayPal account, and you can use in online shopping as well if you want to do, and another payment proof. We'll see. Okay, so you can see guys. Okay, so let's begin to do the registration. Okay, so just click on this sign in. Okay, just click on this sign in button. Okay, just click on this, and what do we need to do guys? So we do not have any account, so what do? We just need to first register. Okay, we just need to first register here, and for registration guys, this is your, enter your name, email ID, password, date of birth, gender, and your postal code. That's it. Okay, just click on this checkbox and you are good to go. I just quickly do it. Okay, so I just enter my password. Okay, your date of birth, so date of year I should say now. Okay, so 1998. Okay, so gender and your postal code. Okay, just click on the submit button. Okay guys, this is where we are going. You can see it's take me to this dashboard. So a validation mail is in my email ID. So I just open my email ID and just refresh it, and you can see guys, so this is a mail that comes up on okay, I just need to verify it. Just click on this verification button. Okay, and you are redirected to different page. So wait for this time. I'm not skipping any part guys. Okay, so you can see guys, $20. You can see, you can see $20. Okay, that you can unlock it. Okay, so how can we unlock this amount? So what do I need to do guys? I just need to perform some surveys. Okay, so you can see my survey profile. Okay, you can see this, your survey profile, and there are ample of surveys guys from where you can retrieve a good amount of money. Okay, surveys you can see, and you can even earn money by just inviting friends. Okay, so you can see guys, there are surveys, all the except, okay, account settings. Okay, let's see the account settings. Okay guys, I just need to agree all. Okay, just select all and just click on this update button. Okay, these are certain policies that needs to be checked. Okay, so that your surveys should be generated. So what do I need to do? You can see, if you want surveys, my survey profile, just click on this my survey profile, and there are lots and lots of surveys guys. You can see. Okay, just click on one of the surveys. This is auto. So simple question guys, we just need to give simple questions and we receive instant payment on our PayPal account. You can see guys, do you have access to a car? Have access to a car. Okay, just click on this. Just simple answer questions. Okay, are you primary decision maker in your household for a motive relative purchase? Okay, you can see you just need to give these small things. How many cars are there in your household? One. Okay, so just give these kind of there are lots and lots of you can see guys, there are lots and lots of questions that you need to give. Okay, it would become difficult for me to answer each and every question, so I just want to tell you guys, you can do it on your own. I just come up on this reward section, you can see, and here is your stature. Okay, now the minimum amount is $20. Okay. So while filling some details guys, okay, you can see this, what do they say? Because of the global economic situation, we have increased the minimum threshold. Okay. Due to guys, it is temporary for the economic condition. Otherwise, you can see they are having $10. Okay, so due to some economical condition, this COVID-19 thing, they have increased the minimum amount to 30. They will retrieve it back when everything is fine. Okay, so available 3 working days. Okay, I just need to show you guys how to set up your PayPal account. Okay, just click on this. Okay, I just need to come up in this and withdraw the reward. I just need to click on this withdraw reward. Okay, I can do it in any ways guys, simple as it is. Okay, if I just want to select it, okay, this PayPal account, if I want to select it, okay, so minimum guys, I should have $20. I do not have, that is why I have not selected. So while selecting this thing, I can retrieve my PayPal the money on my PayPal account. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so what do you need to do guys? You just need to, you can see the progress. Okay, 21% I just received. So let's complete it. Okay, BMW, Audi. Okay, just click on this. I just show you one. In my opinion, I should do it. Okay, so I should give this thing. Okay, just click on this. So I'm just reading it and just click on this thing. Okay, whatever they are saying, just you need to click on these surveys and you are good to go. Okay guys, so just click on this, click next. Okay, and you can see own, did you buy them or used to? Okay, so why I do these kind of things, because guys, lots and lots of people are asking me a question that so please do it. Okay, so that is the only reason why I have to do it. Okay, so 2020 and do you own your motorcycle? Yes. Okay, just 14 questions that you need to answer. Okay, so let me just give another Suzuki. Okay, and 2 vehicles, engine is this. Okay, 2 vehicles, describe it. So sports bike. Okay, and what do I are you consider buying or lease a new or used car within the next 2 years? Yes. Oh no, not lease, you can see this. Okay, and just finish it. So guys, I have completed one survey. Okay, and you need to complete the whole new surveys in order to retrieve $20 in your PayPal account. Okay, you need to complete all of these surveys, and each surveys are having 14 questions. Okay, and you will be rewarded as per you just do. You can see guys, where at least 20 questions were added and you fill in. Okay, the rewards only be awarded once a year for a situation where 20 plus questions were added and are filled in. Okay, so what do we need to do guys? So just perform these kind of surveys and you are getting paid on your PayPal account. Okay, just complete whole of these surveys and you are getting paid. So I just gave you another trick which will increase your earning. Okay, so this is guys invitation to a friend. Okay, so how do we invite our friends? You can see for every 5 service you will be rewarded 5 friends. Okay, you invite, you will be rewarded. So just have a look on the certain email IDs. You are having your own friend's email ID. So you just need to do one thing, guys, and just click on your friend's email ID. Let us suppose abc@gmail.com. Okay, so just click on this invite, and an invitation code is sent from your referral link to that person. Okay, you can see, guys, you can see. Okay, so this is how you need to give your invitation code. So it's very simple, guys. You just need to perform some surveys and you are good to go. It's one of the highest paying surveys, guys, I have ever seen. Okay, where you just need to answer some questions and you are getting paid for that. Okay, hundreds and hundreds of companies are coming and want to look that they want to do some research while they are performing some product reviews. Like, if we want to make a product, how can we sell it on the market? We should take advices of our friends. Okay, so this is a way how you can do it. So if you want more details about how to earn money online, guys, just click on this subscribe button and hit the like button, so that I should give you more information about how to earn money online by just clicking and copy pasting things. We'll see you in the next video, guys.